What's going on, everybody? Hope everybody out there is doing good. Welcome back to my channel. For this video, we're going back to the test spot on the street. On my last video, car did pretty good, but obviously the more passes, the better it is. So car's doing really good. The fuel pressure issue ended up being self-inflicted. It was low on fuel. I don't know how, because I literally thought I just topped it off, but I don't know. I put about 10 gallons in it and it took every bit of it. So it was low on fuel. I looked over some data over this week. I made some adjustments. I got the trash control pretty close to what I think is dialed in. I adjusted the tune, I adjusted the boost ramp, shift points, fueling, pretty much everything. I made changes to everything. So I'm gonna see what them changes do here in a couple minutes. And hopefully it's a good day. Once again, my dad's back there, so it was kind of a spur of the moment thing. Just, hey, we should go test it. Okay, let's go. So we both got the slicks on, got the prep in the back. I got the GoPro. I think we're ready to go. So we're about to pull up there now and enjoy the video, guys. Gas this time. Alright guys, what's going on? First pass of the day right here. The surface still looks like it did last time, like somebody was here torching it and prepping it. So kept the tune the same, just turned it up a little bit. And yeah, hopefully we're gonna go real fast, get another personal best. That's the plan. 84 degrees, 1600 DA. Got my new cam lock belts. I love these. Leave the launch retard turned off. tried it without the timing retard, and
It's sticking out of it.
yeah.
It wasn't sticking, it's sticking now all the way almost to the end of the black.
Yeah, I should have just kept it on, but I wanted to try it, see what it would do. Now I got a log for it, so I know. All right, pass number 2. First pass wasn't great. It's had just a little bit too much wheel speed, but there's a truck coming. All right, yeah, it had just a little bit too much wheel speed, and I turned the timing retard off just to see if it would hook, since it's so good. It didn't. It just had a little bit too much, so I actually turned it up a good bit. 10 pounds on the lead, 4,200 RPMs, a little shorter boost ramp, and more boost. And then I have the timing retard that I have to turn on the dash. So hopefully this will get down. Close to a personal best pedaling it and letting off. So yeah, tie my PB 60 foot here. Okay, not too bad. All right guys, third pass, possibly last pass of the day. I got it pretty turned up. Timing retard. I added some boost and RPM to the leave. I added a little bit more boost up top and mess with timing to get it to not lose the tire so much. So if it spins, I'll probably just make another one. Hopefully this is a good pass right here. So we got some guys here flying their drone, so I might have some cool drone footage. So here goes nothing. Saying that too. Yeah, mine just linked. Maybe try yours again. Definitely thought it was going to hit a number I wanted. Alright guys, last pass for sure right now. Turned it up again up top specifically. Kept the launch about the same. Everything else is pretty same. I adjusted the timing retard just a little bit. Adjusted the front shocks. Made it extend in the front a little faster. What else? Tire pressures 14.5. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna pull the chute this pass for the first time. I haven't pulled the chute yet, so I'm gonna pull the chute. I got Rob down at the big end. He's gonna get a cool video of me flying by with the chute out, and yeah, it should be a cool video. So here goes nothing. Well, the chute pull was successful. Didn't go as fast as I thought it would, but whatever. Keep on practicing, keep on making hits, and we'll get there one day. Gotta think this combo is all new. I only have 6 runs on it, so yeah, we lost it all at the 60 foot. So if I would have turned it down a little bit, it probably would have been a decent run. So oh well, we got a cool video from top end, and we got a real cool video pulling the chute. That was a weird feeling. I ain't never pulled a chute before, so that was pretty awesome. All right, guys. Overall, not a bad day. Nice little test session on the streets. I got some seat time, got some pretty good data, and the car's running great. One main thing that you guys see is it keeps hitting that safety just like last time. I thought it was because it was low on fuel, which it was, but it's just losing fuel pressure like crazy. I think the pumps are just tired. They've been on the car since day one when it was built 4 or 5 years ago. All it is 2 AEM 400s. They put in work. I mean, they worked this whole time. I mean, I haven't been easy on this car, 32 pounds through a 4.8, and it took it, but I think now it's just tapped out. They're 400 liters per hour, 400, which it's actually like 200 when you're at 80 PSI of fuel pressure, which is where I need to be. I think the plan is to add a Magna Fuel 750 to my setup and that should be plenty of fuel. I know that for a fact. One of the cars I dynoed in Colorado, it had that same setup and it made over 1100, so I know that'll be plenty of fuel for what I need to do. So along with the fuel system, another thing that needs to be done is trans and converter upgrades. I've been dealing with this way too long, and honestly, I'm tired of it. For one, first gear on the street sucks. I'm tired of having to shift it into high gear right before the 8th. It needs to be screaming through the 8th at the top of high gear. The gearing is just wrong, but I can't run a different gear with this first gear. So the plan is to put a second gear lead valve body in there, rebuild the trans because it's been in the car for 5 years, get all that squared away, get a good converter, a nice looser one. I'm tired of the tight converters, tired of the slow spool ups. I need to get everything happy in order to make this combination maxed out pretty much. Stock bottom end with a tight converter is just a dangerous combination. So we're going to get a loose converter from PTC. I'm going to have to get with Dusty, get the trans looked at, get the valve body put in, a rear gear change, and I think the whole car will just be way happier. In theory, at least that's what I think. It's got to be better than what it is now. I mean, I've been dealing with this since day one. It's just not a good combination for 1/8 mile. Perfect for a 1/4 mile, but I'm not running 1/4 mile. Definitely not running 1/4 mile on the street. So ideally, if I can get the fuel system, converter, valve body, and anything else that pops up, then we should be able to maximize this combination and get every ounce of ET out of the car. And if not, go back to the drawing board and try some more stuff, because that's the whole point. Just keep progressing, keep getting better and better, keep getting comfortable as a driver, as a tuner, and figure out what works and what doesn't work. Just try to maximize the combination and go as fast as possible. That's the name of the game. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully we'll get some upgrades rolling in and just keep getting faster. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you then.